Okay, hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate. So these are the ingredients that we need to make chocolate. Okay, so first you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable shortening or unsalted butter. Okay, now to make chocolate you need a double boiler, but because I don't have one, so I've made a fake one. So what you do is you can boil 1 pot of hot water. Okay, so now it's boiling. You turn it off. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer it here. Okay, then you put this on top. So make sure you get your mom and dad to help you. Okay, so now we're going to add all the ingredients together. Okay, Ryan, you want to help me put this in the bowl? Okay, pour it in. Okay, very good. And the sugar too? Okay, and the butter. Alright, then we're gonna mix them together.
I mix.
Okay, it's hot, so be careful. Okay, mix it, stir. So you have to stir until everything dissolves and melts, until it's a smooth texture. Yeah, just keep stirring. Okay, so I've had to add 3 times more butter. So now the mixture has become like this, more runny. Okay, so after it's become a smoother texture, then you're going to transfer this onto wax paper. So now the chocolate has hardened. That's how it looks like. So Ashley's gonna have a taste. Okay, how does it taste like, Ashley?
It's very salty. But it's not bad.
Okay, now Ryan's gonna try the chocolate. Okay. Okay, try. Okay, how do you like the taste? Is it nice?
It's good.
It's good? Oh, great job. Enjoy your chocolate. Say bye-bye, everyone.